Okay, good morning and welcome. This is the Fall 2018 Final Exam, Part 1, Modified Version, Algebra 1, Mr. Kingsbury and Ms. Mattaliano, taking place on December 19th, 2018. General instructions. You will have no fewer than 75 minutes to complete the following 45 questions. Please read and follow the instructions carefully in order to receive proper credit. Be sure to record your responses on the answer sheet provided by completely filling in the bubble corresponding to your answer. Good luck. And feel free to pause or rewind this recording whenever you need. All right, so instructions. Select the single best answer to the questions that follow. Number 1. Gabby has 8 boxes of compact discs on each of 6 shelves. Each box contains 10 CDs. How many CDs does Gabby have? A, 48, B, 60, C, 80, D, 480. Number 2. Hannah and Tim collect stamps. Tim is bringing his stamps to Hannah's house so that they can compare. Hannah has 60 stamps. Which expression represents the total number of stamps that they will have if T represents the number of stamps Tim has? A, 60 times T, B, 60 divided by T, C, 60 plus T, or D, 60 minus T. Number 3. Simplify the expression. Quantity 6 to the power of 2 plus 4 and quantity minus 15. A, 25, B, negative 15, C, 1, or D, 55. Number 4. Solve for x. Negative 3 equals x plus 5. A, negative 15, B, negative 8, C, 2, D, 8. Number 5. What operation should you use to solve the following equation? Negative 6x equals negative 24. A, addition, B, subtraction, C, multiplication, D, division. Number 6. Solve for x. Negative 28 equals 22 minus 5x. A, 10, B, 1.2, C, negative 10, D, negative 1.2. Seven. Solve for m. The fraction m over 4 minus 3 equals 7. A, 8, B, 40, C, 16, D, negative 40. 8. An ice cream sundae costs $1.75 plus an additional 35 cents for each topping. If the total cost is $2.80, how many toppings did the sundae have? A, 2, B, 3, C, negative 2, D, 6. Number 9. Solve for B. Negative 4 times the quantity, negative 3b minus 2, and quantity, equals 32. A, negative 2, B, 2, C, 4, D, 6. Number 10. When the sum of a number and 7 is multiplied by 4, the result is 16. What is the original number? A, negative 12, B, negative 3, C, 3, D, 11. Number 11. Solve the following equation for x. negative 8x minus 5 plus 3x equals 7 plus 4x minus 9. A, negative 3, B, negative 1/3, C, 1/3, D, 3. 12. If 16 minus 3 times the quantity 4 minus x and quantity equals x minus 8, then x equals what? A, negative 18, B, negative 6, C, 3, D, 6. 13. Letitia has 4 apples and 6 oranges. After she eats 2 apples and 3 oranges, she goes to the store and buys 7 more apples, 3 oranges, and 2 bananas. How many oranges does she have? A, 0, B, 3, C, 6, D, 9. 14. What is the slope of the line that passes through the points 2, 5, and 1, 4? A, 1, B, negative 1, C, negative 1/3, D, 1/3. 15. Two straight lines are graphed in the standard XY coordinate plane. What are the coordinates of their intersection? A, 0, 0, B, 0, 3, C, 3, 4, D, 4, 3. 16. To locate the point 7, negative 6 in the standard XY coordinate plane below, in which of the following directions should you move a pen from the origin? A, left 6 units, up 7 units. B, left 6 units, down 7 units. C, right 6 units, down 6 units. Excuse me, C is right 7 units, down 6 units. D, right 7 units, up 6 units. 17. What is the slope of a vertical line? A, negative 1, B, 0, C, 1, D, undefined. 18. What is the equation of the line graphed below? A, y equals negative x, B, y equals x plus 3, C, y equals 1/3 x, D, y equals negative 3x plus 3. 19. What is an equation of the line that has a slope of negative 4 and passes through the point negative 2, negative 5? A, y equals negative 4x minus 8, B, y equals negative 4x minus 13, C, y equals negative 4x minus 5, D, y equals negative 4x plus 3. 20. What is an equation of the line shown in the graph at the right? Well, truly, it's the graph below. A, y equals negative 3/2 x plus 4. B, y equals 2/3 x plus 4. C, y equals negative 2/3 x plus 4. D, y equals negative 2/3 x plus 6. (21) What is the domain of the following table set? A, the domain is the set 2, 6, 10. B, domain is the set 13, 15, 17. C, domain is the set including the points 2, 13, 6, 15, 10, 17. D, domain is the set 2, 13, 6, 15, 10, 17. (22) Which equation is equivalent to the following? Y minus 6 equals negative 12 times the quantity x plus 4 and quantity. A, y equals negative 6x minus 48. B, y equals 6x minus 48. C, y equals negative 12x minus 42. D, y equals negative 12x minus 54. (23) What is the value of 4m minus 2n plus 3mn plus 6 when m equals 2 and n equals 3? A, negative 28. B, negative 22. C, 2. D, 26. (24) If f of x equals 2x plus 5, evaluate f of 3. A, 10. B, 11. C, 12. D, 4. 25. Which graph represents a function? A, graph 1. B, graph 2. C, graph 1 and graph 2. D, none of the above. 26. Which set does not represent a function? A, the set of the points 0, 1, 1, negative 2, 2, 0, 3, 0. B, the set including the points 0, negative 1, 1, negative 2, 2, 2, 3, 0, 1, 1. C, the set including the points 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0. D, the set including the points 2, 0, 0, 2. 27. 3 times a number plus 12 minus 5 times the same number is 22. What is the algebraic equation? A, 3n plus 12 minus 5n equals 22. B, 3n minus 12 times 5n equals 22. C, 3n minus 12 minus 5n equals 22. D, 3n plus 12 plus 5n equals 22. 28. The population of a city increases by 4,000 people each year. In 2010, the population is projected to be 450,000 people. What is an equation that gives the city's population P in thousands of people X years after 2010? A. P equals 4x plus 450. B. P minus 450 equals 4 times the quantity x minus 15 and quantity. C. P minus 15 equals 4 times the quantity x minus 450 and quantity. D. P equals 450x plus 4. 29. What are the x and y intercepts of the graph of the following? Negative 7x plus 4y equals negative 14. A, negative 7, 0 and 0, 4. B, 7, 0 and 0, negative 4. C, negative 2, 0 and 0, 3.5. D, 2, 0 and 0, negative 3.5. 30. Cheryl is planning to spend $75 on a Christmas gift for her father. He needs new socks and ties. A store has socks S on sale for $4 and ties T on sale for $11. Which equation models this situation? A. 4S plus 11T equals 75. B. 11S plus 4T equals 75. C. S equals 15T plus 75. D. T equals 4S minus 11. 31. Which point is found by moving 2 units to the right of the origin and 5 units up from the origin? A, point A. B, point B. C, point C. D, point D. 32. Which of the following is a way in which linear equations can be represented? A, using algebra. B, using tables. C, using graphs. D, all of the above. 33. Which of the following equations is in standard form? A, ax plus ab plus c equals 0. B, ax squared plus by squared equals c. C, ax plus by equals c. D, ab plus xy plus c equals 0. 34. If we can put an equation into standard form, what do we know must be true about that equation? A, the graph is circular. B, the graph is linear. C, the graph is always a horizontal line. D, standard form doesn't really tell us anything. 35. The y-intercept of a line is the y-coordinate of the point at which the graph of an equation crosses the y-axis. A, true. B, false. 36. Which of the following is a linear equation? A, 2x plus 3xy equals 4. B, 3x squared minus 14y equals -1. C, 2x plus 8y equals 6. D, 5x minus 5y squared equals 0. 37. Which of the following is not a linear equation? A, 2x plus 4y equals 3x plus 1. B, 5 times the quantity y plus 1 and quantity equals -2. C, 1 plus 12xy equals 0. D, 5x plus 16y equals -22. 38. Consider the equation y equals -3x plus 5. How can we rearrange this equation into standard form? A, y equals 5 minus 3x. B, y minus 3x equals 5. C, 3x plus y equals 5. D, this cannot be rewritten in standard form. 39. Consider the equation 3y plus 5xy equals -7x. How can we rearrange this equation into standard form? A, 5x plus 3y equals -7. B, 12x plus 3y equals 0. C, 12x plus 8y equals 0. D, this cannot be rewritten in standard form. 40. Which of the following is the general equation for slope-intercept form? A, y equals m plus x plus b. B, y equals -mx plus b. C, y equals mx plus 0. D, y equals mx plus b. 41. Which of the following correctly describes rate of change, or slope? A, change in x over change in y. B, change in y over change in x. C, change in x over y. D, change in y over x. 42. Which answer is the correct translation of the following verbal expression into an algebraic expression? 4/3 of the sum of 2 and 5 is 3 greater than the quotient of 6 and a number. A, 4/3 plus the quantity 2 plus 5 is greater than 3 plus 6x. B, 4/3 times the quantity 2 plus 5 equals 3 plus 6x. C, 4/3 times the quantity 2 plus 5 equals 3 plus the fraction 6 over x. D, 4/3 plus the quantity 2 plus 5 equals the fraction 6 over x minus 3. (43) Which of the following operations should be performed first when evaluating the following expression? 2 squared minus 3 times the quantity 5 plus 3 and quantity times 4/3. A, 5 plus 3. B, 3 times 8. C, 4 divided by 3. D, 2 squared. (44) According to the distributive property, the expression A times the quantity B minus C and quantity is equal to which of the following? A, AB plus AC. B, AB minus AC. C, A times B minus C. D, A minus B minus C. (45) Which of the following is not a correct way to describe range? A, set of all y coordinates. B, set of values of the dependent variable. C, set of all outputs. D, all of the above are correct. That brings us to the end of all of the questions on the exam today. Please feel free to rewind if you need to review. I will also go ahead and read aloud the relevant formulas, which are attached as a page at the end of your exam. So our Algebra 1 final exam relevant formulas include m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which equals rise over run. Ax plus by equals c. Y equals mx plus b. Y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1 and quantity. This marks the end of the test. Best of luck.